Come on, you can do it. Yay!
Yay! Let's get out. Hook no.
Huh?
The hook no.
No.
Okay, so now we're out. Something cracked. I don't know what, but so I'm holding here. Hope that it's not gonna get off. I think we're doing like 5 knots. I think I pulled down the power to be much less. And it's nice, it's quiet. You can actually speak in here and get your friends wet. So one thing I'm going to change is this one. It's too thin for this. With the current setup, it's possible to change. It's decent speed. I think this is 50 amps. This is how it should look like. Okay, so I'm probably pulling like 500 watts right now, and it's totally quiet. It's like no stinky boxes out there. This is how it should be. And it's just working great. Except it cracked a little bit there, but we're gonna fix that. We'll figure that out. Then increase the power. So yeah, I probably could take this up to 120 amps, and then this would fly like crazy. This was 30 amps, so we can definitely go. Actually react. It actually did break a little bit, so, and I don't know exactly where yet, so definitely let's see, maybe we'll do some new carbon fiber all around, whatever. But this was a success. This was my goal for the whole spring, basically, to work on this and just have a great time. Look, we're driving, it's quiet, a little bit faster, just hear the water. This is how it should be. It's like no stinky boxes out there. Cheers. We know that we can draw about 30 amps at 77 volts, so that means about 2.1 kilowatts, and that gives us, I think, what the manufacturers say, about 6 horsepower. So yeah, you can see we're still 2 heavy guys. My friend is even heavier.
Fuck you.
And there's some. Oh, den har slutat. Eller? And we have an issue with this thing there. It's that anti-spark. It kind of closes automatically after some time. So probably some setting I gotta talk with Flexkey about or some forum. Anyways, it's time to go home now. This was a great start. But still, if you think about it, it's just like 10% of what this motor can actually do. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I mean, whoa, shit. Yeah, I'm not gonna get my friend that way. Let's go home. Let's go home.